Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free Xhamster tokens in 2025. So as you can see, I got 69,000 tokens right now. So let's get straight into the guide and I'll show you how to do it. So basically just go to hexmods.com. So this is like a website. It's got like loads of modded apps. So let me just type it in right here. All right. Okay, so I'm on the site right now. So I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm just going to type in Xhamster. And there's the mod, so just press on it, press the down button, and it's going to start downloading. So this is a way to get free Xhamster tokens by downloading the modded version, which is what I have installed on my device, as you saw. So let's just give it a second here just so you guys can see. So I'm just going to let it load. And before it downloads, there is a verification you have to do where you have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. So as you can see, it says complete 2 free apps to finish installing the mod. Thanks for supporting our platforms. There's going to be around 4 of these. You just have to download 2 of them and make sure you read the instructions. They'll probably be different for you depending on where you live, but you can see Misplace is down install, play 4 games for 5 minutes. Rewarded Place is install up and install 2 games. I mean, they're all different. They have like an AI you can talk to. So it's pretty cool, guys. So I'll see you later. You can see it says complete 2 more offers. So yeah, I'm on an Android, so when I press it, it brings me to the Play Store. But if I was using an iPhone, it would bring me to the App Store. So yeah, you can just pick any app and you should be all set. So I'll see you guys later. Just make sure you do 2 of them, and then you should have the Xhamster mod on your device. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. You can see right here I have tons of tokens. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're interested in this kind of content. I'm very not interested because I'm poor, but now I have tons of tokens, so this is super cool. So I'll see you later and peace out.